Hello everyone, this is Steve, AAA Truck Sales in Monroe, Georgia. Got another one of these great blue condos. We got several of them in stock. This one is LY 5951. It's a 2020 Freightliner Cascadia 126. This has a fresh DOT on it. We've had a full 128-point inspection. 505,000 miles on it. 455 on the horsepower. It's a double bunk condo. It's got an electric AP on it. You see the tires here. These are the super singles. They got good tread on them. They're in good shape, but if you want to get them swapped out with the 8s, we can do that. Just ask us to do it. We'll make it happen. This is a fleet maintain. It's got dual air ride seats, air suspension, axle interlock, and it's a good looking truck. Let's get inside because that's where you'll be spending most of your time, as always. You can see the leather seats here. They're in great shape, no tears. Moving to the back, lots of room. Lots of room to do your trucking job and write your novel. So, you get out of here. So come on down. AAA Trucks, Monroe, Georgia. We got more than just this one, but this one's nice. We'd like to put you in it. Give us a call and we'll get you rolling.